Hello students, today's topic is metabolism of branched chain amino acids. There are three branched chain amino acids: valine, leucine and isoleucine. All are essential amino acids. Valine is glucosenic, leucine is ketogenic and isoleucine is glucosenic and ketogenic amino acid. So first I will discuss about metabolism of valine. First, valine is transaminated by the enzyme transaminase, branched chain amino acid transaminase, to alpha keto valerate. Alpha keto valerate. Now, alpha keto valerate gets oxidatively decarboxylated to isobutyryl coenzyme A. So this reaction is catalyzed by the multi-enzyme complex branched chain alpha keto acid dehydrogenase, which is similar to the pyruvate dehydrogenase multi-enzyme complex, where there are 3 enzyme activities as well as 5 coenzymes are there, like TPP, NAD, coenzyme A, lipoic acid and FAD. Now this isobutyryl coenzyme A is converted into methyl acrylyl coenzyme A. Methyl acrylyl coenzyme A by the enzyme isobutyryl coenzyme A dehydrogenase or acyl coenzyme A dehydrogenase. FAD is required as a coenzyme. Now this methyl acrylyl coenzyme A is converted into beta hydroxy isobutyryl coenzyme A by the action of the enzyme crotonase. Now this beta hydroxy isobutyryl coenzyme A is converted into beta hydroxy isobutyrate. Beta hydroxy isobutyrate by the enzyme hydrolase. This beta hydroxy isobutyrate is converted into methyl malonate semialdehyde by the enzyme dehydrogenase. NAD is required. This methyl malonate semialdehyde is converted into methyl malonyl coenzyme A. Methyl malonyl coenzyme A by the enzyme dehydrogenase. Again NAD is required. Methyl malonyl coenzyme A is converted into succinyl coenzyme A by methyl malonyl coenzyme A isomerase, where beta and B12 is required as the coenzyme and succinyl coenzyme A enters the TCA cycle and it forms glucose. This is about metabolism of valine. Next is leucine. So leucine is a purely ketogenic amino acid First two reactions of valine and leucine are same. Leucine undergoes transamination by the enzyme transaminase to form alpha keto isocaproate. Alpha keto isocaproate undergoes oxidative decarboxylation by the same branch chain alpha keto acid dehydrogenase multi-enzyme complex to form isovaleryl coenzyme A. Isovaleryl coenzyme A. Now isovaleryl coenzyme A is converted into beta methyl crotonyl coenzyme A by the enzyme isovaleryl coenzyme A dehydrogenase FAD is required as the coenzyme. Now beta methyl crotonyl coenzyme A is converted into beta methyl glutaconyl coenzyme A by the enzyme carboxylase where biotin is required as the coenzyme. ATP is also required. Okay. Now this beta methyl glutaconyl coenzyme A is converted into HMG coenzyme A, hydroxymethyl glutaryl coenzyme A by the action of the enzyme hydratase HMG coenzyme A lyase will convert HMG coenzyme A into acetyl coenzyme A and acetoacetyl. So it can form both ketone bodies and fats. Next is metabolism of isoleucine. Isoleucine is both glucosonic and ketogenic, and initial two reactions are same with valine and leucine. So isoleucine first undergo transamination to form alpha keto beta methyl valerate, which then undergoes oxidative decarboxylation by the same branch chain alpha keto acid dehydrogenase multi-enzyme complex to form alpha methyl butyryl coenzyme A. This alpha methyl butyryl coenzyme A is converted into Tiglyl coenzyme A by the enzyme acyl coenzyme A dehydrogenase FAD is required as the coenzyme. Tiglyl coenzyme A is converted into alpha methyl beta hydroxy beta-aryl coenzyme A, by the enzyme crotonase Now this alpha methyl beta hydroxy beta-aryl coenzyme A is converted into alpha methyl acetoacetyl coenzyme A by the action of the enzyme dehydrogenase and it is required as the coenzyme. This alpha methyl acetoacetyl coenzyme A gets converted into propionyl coenzyme A by the enzyme thiolase with subsequent formation of acetyl coenzyme A. Okay, so in this reaction propionyl coenzyme A is formed and acetyl coenzyme A is formed. So from acetyl coenzyme A ketone bodies or fats can be produced. From propionyl coenzyme A, by a series of reaction it can form succinyl coenzyme A, which can enter the TCA cycle and it can form glucose. Okay, so this is about metabolism of the branched chain amino acids. Now an important inborn error of metabolism of branched chain amino acid is known as maple syrup urine disease. Maple syrup urine disease. This maple syrup urine disease, also known as MSUD, is due to deficiency of the branched chain alpha ketoacid dehydrogenase multi-enzyme complex. It is an autosomal recessive genetic defect, and there is increased branched chain amino acid and keto acid. Incidence is around 1 per 1 lakh live births. And the name maple syrup originates from burnt sugar characteristic, burnt sugar smell of the urine. And clinical findings are convulsion, severe mental retardation, poor muscle tone, respiratory failure, vomiting, acidosis, coma and death. And treatment is diet low in branched chain amino acids. And there is a mild variant known as intermittent branched chain ketonuria, where increased doses of thiamine is effective as treatment. Liver transplantation is also done. Then another inborn error of metabolism is isovaleric acidemia. It is due to deficiency of the enzyme isovaleric coenzyme A dehydrogenase, and it causes vomiting, acidosis, coma following injection of high protein diet. So this is about metabolism of branched chain amino acids. Thank you.